Message to all recent players. I'm hosting a test for most recent message.
This is a Code 12 broadcast. The remnants of the Top Hat clan have been seen mobilizing near the Dogo Bogo jungle. Rumors are they are attempting to launch an orbital satellite of some kind. Unconfirmed reports are telling us they are shipping their assets by train to this base in the jungle. These assets include all treasures and artifacts they have stolen throughout the years. Now these treasures are worth quite a lot of money, so we gotta make sure. No stowaways here. This is Checkpoint Inspection Team 5. We are all clear.
Roger that. We'll be heading out here in just a second.
Well, I suppose we should hop in, huh? How did we lose one? I think we should throw it in the cart, just to be safe. Well, I suppose we should hop in. It's about time. Hey, was that bush always there? I'm not sure. I'll give it the test. Oh, it was a fake. Well, I suppose we should hop in. It's about time. Alright, I'll get the door. You could have at least offered. You were standing right
Someone
next
there?
to me. Hey, you there! Whoa, check out this crazy coat rack. Oh, look at me, I'm a little hat holder person. Ooh, can I take your hat? Ooh, I wonder what's out the window. Oh, it broke.
Excuse me. I was saving that seat for my friend. Hello? Hello? Oh, hey, there you are. Yeah, no, this guy just took a seat. I don't know.
Alright, lads, train's here. Let's get everything packed up before it gets too late. Oops. Uh-oh. Why is it empty in here?